Hey, Kanata, Barrhaven, and Orleans. It's Franco here with your March 2025 real estate market update. Let's kick it off with Barrhaven. Attached homes in Barrhaven reached 828,000, up slightly from last year from 825. For attached homes, they actually dipped to 600,000, down from 615 last year. And condos rose modestly at 424,000 compared to 417 last year. Total sales were 101, with the homes taken on average 31 days to sell. That's up from 20 days from last year. Now for Kanata, detached homes averaged 902,000, down from 924,000 last year. As for attached homes, they climbed to 635,000, up from 621,000. And condos took a big hit at 442,000, down from 994,000 from last year. Total sales was 188, and homes sold a bit faster to 25 days on the market compared to 29 from last March. And for Orleans, detached homes rose to 792,000, up from 773,000. Attached homes averaged 598,000, up from 584 from last year. Condos also ticked up here at 415,000 compared to 409 last year. There were 161 sales, and the homes took 31 days on average to sell, up 20 from last year. Here's my takeaway. Detached homes remain strong across all three suburbs. Buyers are upsizing, and especially in Orleans and Barrhaven. Kanata's condos dropped in price, offering potential deals to first-time buyers or investors. Days on the market increased in Barrhaven and Orleans, giving buyers a bit more breathing room. Now, Kanata led in total sales with 188 sales, showing a strong buyer demand. Thinking of buying or selling in your favorite neighborhood? Let's sit down. Let's break down the numbers that matter to you. DM me here or visit buyottawa.com for a personalized home evaluation.